how are you? It's Kelly, the Frugal Fun Mum here in Adelaide, Australia. I want to welcome you to the channel and to today's video where we have a grocery haul for you guys. So I'll turn you around in a minute and show you that. Please feel free to check out all the other videos that we have on the channel. We have Mondays, Wednesday is grocery hauls and any other thing food related, and Fridays is doing my no buy year and using up all of the things that we have in the house. I'm very glad food's not included because I'd be in trouble. Yeah, I like to shop. So yes, it's challenging this year, but who's up for the challenge? Yes. Sometimes there'll be bonus videos here if we've been doing specific challenges or doing additional things like the school lunch boxes. So whenever I have content like that for you guys, I'm happy to throw it in here as a bonus video. So feel free to subscribe if you haven't already, because we would love to have you as part of our Frugal Fun family. So today's grocery haul was to Coles and we spent a total of $71, and I did the tip that you guys said. I watched because I do self-checkout. Love that thing, love it. And scanned as much as I could to hit the 70 and then cut it off and paid for it. And then the rest I just scanned through, not with my card. So have a few extra things because I don't know what it is. And someone else said this on the video as well. You literally walk around with a notepad and a pen and your calculator, your phone, and you're adding it all up, and you get to the checkout and you're like, where did that extra $3.27 come from? You're looking in the basket. Who knows? Who knows? And I mean, some of it, like, I don't count like the bananas, or if it's looser fruit or veg, I kind of just have a bit of an allowance. So I'll sort of hit the $70 in groceries and then know that the fruit and veg is going to take me over that. And then if I get to the checkout and I sort of want to put anything else back of the main products to sort of keep the fruit and veg, then I'll do that. It's a whole dance. I'm sure that anyone who's played the Flybuy'S game, you know what I'm talking about. So without further ado, let me turn you around and show you what we got. Okay guys, here is our grocery haul from Coles, and it's a little bit of mix of stuff because I have no idea where some of the packets are. I thought I filmed this earlier in the week and clearly have not when I went to organize my video. So I've kind of grabbed what I can. If I can remember to sort of add anything else in as a picture, I probably will here. But it's not going to make a whole lot of sense with the totals and the prices and everything else. I spent $71 in the first haul, and then I got a few additional things during the week. So let's go through what I do have. Yeah. And yeah, I'll put the prices down here on the screen because there's a few things that I remember were really good specials. And I'm not going to waste time looking through my receipt. It's easier when I'm editing. So just going to grab the first thing. We got a bottle of raspberry drink. Yep. It was really good, I tell you. And then, of course, we got lemonade because that is our favorite. Well, it's my favorite. Everyone else likes the raspberry one, but still the lemonade disappears just as quickly. Oh, disclaimer, would like to say I am not responsible for anything healthy that you might see in here. Kira came with me shopping and quite a few things snuck into the trolley. I'm not saying anything healthy is bad, just you guys know we're a very snacky family, and Kira likes to grab a few different things every now and again. So all good. Yeah. So we got this juice, which, well, should say Kira grabbed because it is breakfast juice, so it's a blend of stuff. But also I think Scott's been having some of this too, so it's great to help with some good nutrients. I know there's sugar in juice and all the rest of it, but when children eat things or drink things rather than eat something that's a not so good choice, we take it. We got these TV snacks because they were on special, big yellow sticker hanging off of the shelf, and I was like, oh, I'm into that. Krispy Kremes, They were really good. They were just pretty much a chocolate biscuit with some icing on it. They did taste like a TV snack, absolutely. It tastes a little bit different, so I'm guessing it's the Krispy Kreme. So you could kind of tell it was that. I haven't had Krispy Kremes for ages, so I couldn't exactly sit there blindfolded and say, oh, it tastes like this. But it did bring back memories of these, like those little ones with the different patterns on them. And then we also got this one because, as you see, it had a clearance sticker on it. We saw this one first, and then we saw the one next to it with the yellow tag. It was quite hilarious. I know how to spot these a mile away. These, oh yeah, turn it over. These ones were good. I just found them, for me, a little bit crunchy because they've got all the sprinkles on top. So I found that I didn't enjoy these ones as much as the chocolate ones just because of the texture. But still, they went, so they couldn't have been that bad. I got some muesli bars for the family for school recesses and snacks as well. We got some chocolate Nutella spread. We were completely out. We haven't had this for weeks and weeks, so I finally grabbed some. Kira grabbed these gherkins, and they're obviously popular. She's been having these in sandwiches. I used to eat these all the time when I was younger, so I'm really happy to see them in the house again, and they taste exactly like I remember them, so I'm happy that she's enjoying them. Got some sliced cheese. Again, we've gone through it pretty quick this week with school going back. Last week I bought a block of cheese because there was none of this in the shelf, and the next available thing, being a brand, was $10, and I refused to pay that for the sliced cheese. So bought a block of cheese. We've been cutting that up, not straight at all. So I get everyone else to cut it. But now we have sliced cheese, and obviously it's a family favorite because we're going through it pretty quick. Kira grabbed these blackberries. She'd never had them before, so I said she'll grab some because they were also on special and try them. And I think she said they weren't too bad. I did say they were a little bit of an acquired taste. We used to eat them straight off of the vine, friends that had some vines on their farm. So I'm past the enjoying them because I ate so many of them when I was younger. And then she got some raspberries. These are one of her favorites. She also grabbed some kombucha in the passion fruit. This is also her favorite. You can see a theme when Kira comes along shopping with me. It tends to be what Kira enjoys. Also, she grabbed this tofu, which she's been enjoying, and happier that it's the smaller vacuum sealed pack. I bought her another one that's a Coles brand. Apparently it was about this fat, and once you open it, you have to eat it within 3 days. So at least this one is sealed, and she's been enjoying this with her noodles, which we'll get to in a minute. So it's good, the two kind of pair up, and it gives her a really good and healthy lunch alternative. We have a tuna. What more can I say? Tuna, fish patties, tuna mornay. It's pretty much our go-to. Do I even need to say? Do I need to say? And the same. Okay. We got these noodles, so the normal and then the spicy for Jeremy, because they were two for $2. So at $1 each, I'm going to grab them. Best ever special I've seen them on is $1.50, and then their everyday shelf price of $1.90. So when they were $1, I took the 6 that were there and went back in a couple of days to grab a couple more, and went to another store to grab a couple more. I've hardly got any because it seems that everybody's under the same theory as me. Let's go looking for the bargains. I'm happy with what I do have, and then once they run out, I hope to get another special to be able to stock up again. We also got 2 of these hot chocolates. These are our favorites. We put them inside our coffee to make mochas. We got 2 of these dark chocolate mud cakes for Jeremy to take to work. I stick them in the freezer, and he takes out a slice every day. these were after I processed all the Flybuy'S offers. I did try and make a cake myself, but it took a lot of time, energy, cutting it up, making sure it was a good shape to go inside the lunchbox, and just my sanity is best spent elsewhere. So I'm going to pay the money, $3.60, because it's cheaper than $5.50, this normally is, to purchase it, to give him something good and happy for lunch. Last thing I grabbed for Kira was this Minor Figures latte, coffee and oat milk, because she drinks the Oatly oat milk, and I thought, cool, that would be really good. The only thing is that I realized once I got home, it actually has sunflower oil in it and not canola oil. So the Oatly, the normal brand, has canola oil base. This has a sunflower. We were hoping the fact that there's coffee in there would sort of cut the taste. The sunflower oil tastes different from canola oil, but Kira said being a cold brew coffee, she doesn't really enjoy the taste of that either. So I'm not sure what the return policy is. I did buy 2 of them. This one is unopened. We opened another one. So I'm not sure if I can return it, because it was $2.90. If not, I'll just have it in my coffee. But yeah. Guys, sorry, quickly forgot to mention a couple of things I got midweek. I did buy a scrub marmite. They were half price, $2.50, best ever price that I've seen. They're normally about $5 on the shelf, and I've seen them 2 for $8, so makes them $4 each. These $2.50, so happy to grab one of those, because our last one that we got probably in about November, it needs to be replaced. So super happy with this because it's lasted for ages, and compared with the other sponges that we normally get. So do yourself a favor and get some. It's got the hard plastic on the front, and then there's a sponge on the back. It's hard to explain, but these are super popular. Yes, I got sucked in by the internet and everyone else that has them, so make sure you grab one. Got this oat milk from Coles brand, Barista. I'm not sure if I showed it last week or not, but it's oat milk. But guess what? It has the base of canola oil, and it's $3.50. The Oatly, when it's on special, is $3.80. So more than happy to pay $3.50 for this being a Coles base price. Then I grabbed 3 of these chicken Kiev balls, because they were $2.70 each. And when you throw them away on the floor, it helps. And you can see it says, oh, here it is. Buy 2, get the 3rd for free. So I paid 2 lots of $2.70, and I got the 3rd pack for free. You guys know math is not my strong suit. So that is everything that I purchased this week. Yeah, enjoy our what's for dinner and a few of the foodie things that we've done this week, and I'll pop back at the end and say goodbye. there you go, guys. That is our grocery haul, and we have had our fun what's for dinner. Wasn't a lot of footage, as I said to you before. We tend to repeat a lot of meals and stuff over and over again, and I think you don't want to see me making pizza every week. So I just record what I could. And then also last week we just had a whole lot of stuff come up. As it was, I probably mentioned this grocery haul. I thought I filmed it, kind of went to organise today and went, I don't have any footage. Okay, here we go. So yeah, that's why all of our products are empty, and I had to kind of run around and look for the packets, because yeah, we decant some things into containers in the pantry to be organised. Yep. So I don't know if I mentioned, but it was the week 3 of the Flybuy's offer. So week 1 you got 1,000 points, week 2 was 2,000 points, and week 3 was 3,000 points if you spent $70 or more in each week. You got a bonus 1,000 points if you shopped online, which I did not. Went into store. I love going in store. I love shopping. What can I say? It's who I am. Yeah. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you going, because some of you I haven't heard from in a little while, and I would love to know how food and shelves and everything else is happening. How are you? Did you survive the children going back? Are you doing online learning? I can't. We are doing a hybrid of stuff. I don't know what day of the week it is, let alone anything else, but yeah, yeah. Remember, you can also join our Facebook group. All the links are in the description box below. And as always, I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!